ever have a cup of tea or make yourself a cup of tea and think, isn't it useful that the tea leaves are in the tea bag and they're not all floating about in the bottom of the cup of tea? That's why we think hop tea bags are useful. Hop tea bags. Every hop variety that we sell at Geterbrewed is available in a 20-gram hop tea bag. They're cold chain stored, foil vac packed, nitrogen flushed, sealed in nylon fabric tea bags for maximum efficiency in flavour, aroma and a little touch of bitterness. So let's get a look at them now. Resealable hop bags, as with all of our hops. Instant hit of aroma. This one in particular is a Galaxy 2020 crop. Nice large tea bags, giving lots of room for the hop pellets when they expand, when they hit the wort. Good, strong, robust nylon fabric. So it's a woven fabric which has got good durability. With the freshness of these hop tea bags, if you use a boiling cup of hot water, put the tea bag into it and use it for dry hopping in beer kits, you can use it for extract brewing, all grain brewing. We believe these are a fantastic, innovative product to allow you to get maximum hop flavour and aroma into your beer. So we have a lot of hop varieties and obviously a lot of hop tea bags available. You can check them out online at geterbrewed.com or geterbrewed.ie. If you have any questions about hop tea bags, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching. Happy brewing. Wow. Don't be drinking it like this, just use it in your beer.